So what's up everybody? Welcome to this video series of NDA SSB interview. I have presented 10 important and golden tips for your 100% selection in NDA SSB interview. Please be assured that you are thinking of your selection is 100%, because I would not recommend that if you are aspiring for 99.99%, then please skip the video and you can move to the second one. But if you are sure that your selection would be 100%, then only watch this video till end. I have presented not only 10 golden tips, but I have explained in details that what should you do from converting a general candidate to a recommended candidate. Please be assured that watch this video till end. First of all, I request to all of you that please listen my words till end and then judge my content and start your preparation accordingly. The first golden tip is that start reading English newspaper daily. You might be considering that this may be a very abnormal thing, but it's mandatory. Even if you might have seen and watched the videos of Dr. Commander N.K. Natarajan, who has been assessing the students for past 30 years, he recommended that if you are not reading newspaper, it means that you are planning to fail in SSB. Okay, means it is one of the tip that if you are lacking it, then you will definitely fail in it. So it's very important for every one of you to start English newspaper. What are its benefit? I am also going to tell about it. So first of all, your spoken will be good and your reading comprehension will also become good. Moreover, you also need to converse in English in SSB. You are not supposed to speak in your local language or even in Hindi. Yes, they allow it for fewer time, but you can't tackle totally in Hindi. So it's very important that your conversation should be good. So that's the benefit of reading English newspaper. Now, it is not mandatory that you should buy a hard copy only. Soft copy, that is PDFs, are also available on the internet. You can just search over there and you will easily get it. I would recommend please prefer the Hindu. The second but very important point is that physical activities such as running, jogging, jumping, playing sports, etc., it's also play a very important role towards your recommendation in SSB. What are its benefit? That it will prepare you for your GTO. Moreover, it will also increase your stamina, which is one of the 12 OLQs. Okay, so that's very important that you are physically fit, and in GTO also there is one task of only individual task. In that only you are required to do jumping and doing physical activities. So you need to start preparing from now, so that when you will reach in the SSB center, then you will not get confused and not much bother about it. Now let's move to the third point, and it is that watching and listening English news. You might be wondering that I am giving very much importance to English news or English language, and it's important too. You know that communication skill is very important toward selection in SSB interview. If your communication skills is not that much good, it means you are lacking very much. Okay, so and I have recommended that of English accent, means English news is available all across the world. It may be of British accent, it may be of American accent, it may be of English accent, or different countries have its accent. But I would recommend that please listen Indian accent, and so Indian accent is easily accessible on DD News, Lok Sabha, and other Republic channel also, as such as Arnab Goswami. So please focus on these points also. Let's move to the fourth point, that is practice of OIR, PPDT and psychological test. You might be wondering that why I am giving that much importance to this OIR, PPDT, as it is screening only. But you know that more than 50% of students just get eliminated in the screening only. So screening is the first and foremost step toward your in SSB. The above things means your communication skills will be and these all are just checked in this PPDT. And OIR is also very important, and I have given the links of where you can practice the best OIR and PPDT, and the links of books has been mentioned in the description. You can just prefer it. Alright, until you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Now I am telling you about the best books for practice. Okay, I have mentioned that if you want to get screened in, then you must practice from best source. And I have just seen over 100 of books has been available in the market, but among them only few are of good one, and they should be recommended to aspiring candidate, and I have mentioned that list only in the description box. Okay, so you can just check out from there. Now the sixth and very important point is that updated with defense related news and schemes. It's very important because you are going in defense sector, and if you are not knowing about the defense, then it will be a very one shortcoming of your current affairs and your knowledge. Okay, so you need to be updated with defense related news that you can also find in the newspaper and in the English news also. Moreover, you can also prefer the current affairs which has been released by Defense Squad channels and AFPA also. Alright, let's move to the 7. Mentor plays a very important role toward your selection in SSB. If you are fresher or repeater, and if you might have taken the coaching, then you might know its benefit. But if you have not taken any coaching yet, and during this COVID-19 period also, it's not that much accessible or not that much easy to step out of house and go to Bangalore, such as SSB Sure Shot Academy or AFPA and many other SSB preparing academies. So the one of the best, or I would say number one, is that there is a 21-hour long lecture, okay, means video lectures, which has been prepared by Dr. Commander N.K. Natarajan. And I would tell you about him that he has been working in Indian Navy, and he also played an important role as a GTO, okay, means Group Tasking Officer, in the selection of SSB aspirants. So he has, through his full effort, he prepared a 17-hour power-packed video lectures, and which is easily accessible on Amazon. This link also has been mentioned here, and very clearly, okay, each and everything has been explained in detail in this video lectures. So you need to follow these things for your final selection in this SSB. Yes, it is a little bit costly. It's around 3200 or but it is more than 2000. Okay, so if you want to afford it, means if you want your final selection to be done, then it's very important for you that you should prefer these video lectures. And 8th number is create a true image of yourself. You might be wondering, what is this? Nonsense. But it is not nonsense. Very many students thinks that firstly they read the OLQs. Oh, there are 15 OLQs or whatever it is, 15 or 12 and they just think that, okay, I will just show off and I will say that yes, these qualities are in me and I am suitable candidate. But this doesn't happen, bro. Okay, this is totally absurd that you will just take a mask and put up on your face and say that this is I am. They can easily just eliminate you by your this false and fake nature. So try to create your true image. Okay, don't try to fake themselves or don't try to make them fool, because they are very much qualified and they can just assess you within few minutes. So please don't try to bluff them and create a true image of yourself. 9th is preparation for SDT, self description test. it is the only test in the SSB whole SSB interview which you can just prepare just before your examinations. Okay, means you can just mug up or write by practicing, and just you just mug up and there you just go and print out on the paper. Okay, means totally you have just wrote up and just give out there. It's the only test. That's why I am telling that be prepared, 100% prepared. And you might also prefer when there are much more lectures available on YouTube, or if you will buy the NK Natarajan sir video, then in that also he has explained in very detail. Okay, you can also prefer that. The 10th and last is that be positive minded and show your positivity in your day-to-day life. See, either it is Navy, either it is Army, or either it is Air Force, everywhere your positive attitudes plays a vital role towards your attitude. Okay, so it's very important that you should remain positive and spread positivity around you. The assessors does not like to recommend those students which are filled with negative minded. Moreover, you need not only to show your positive nature only, you also need to show your subconscious mind reality. Okay, and react according to the situation. So it's very important for each of you to be positive. And how the positivity will come? You should read good books. Okay, prefer good thoughts, and practice from good sets about the how the answer is written. So these all things will change your mind. So there is also a bonus tip, that is that think logically. Illogical answers are absurd, and attitude of a candidate is never accepted. What is it? It is that if there will be many situations given to you in the whole SSB procedure, and you will be just you will be on the ambiguous path that what shall I do. So don't think the absurd or illogical answers. Suppose that a situation is given that two terrorists are coming, and you will have to combat them. Then you just can't say that yes, I along myself will just go there and just kill them. It's not really practical. And it's practical that you alone can kill two enemy, but you will have to make a plan, because the terrorist must have came with a plan, and you also need to make a plan. So you can just frame your answer in such a way that a good planning is required. Then we will go and combat the two terrorists. All right, so I hope you might have liked the 10 golden rules, and the books links of the all books have been mentioned in the description. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. And if you don't like the video, please let us know that what we can amend in our upcoming videos. So thanks for watching the video. Have an awesome day.